Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Simply Shanaz. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important person in today's world and my inspiration, Angela Merkel. Let's get started. Angela Merkel is a German politician best known as the first female chancellor of Germany and one of the architects of the European Union. Angela Dorothea Kastner, better known as Angela Merkel, was born in Hamburg, West Germany on July 17, 1954. Trained as a physicist, Merkel entered politics after the 1989 fall of the Berlin Wall. The daughter of Lutheran pastor and teacher who moved his family east to pursue his theology studies, Merkel grew up in a rural area north of the Berlin in then German Democratic Republic. She studied physics at the University of Leipzig, earning a doctorate in 1978, and later worked as a chemist at the Central Institute of Physical Chemistry, Academy of Sciences from 1978 to 1990. Merkel's parents, Horst and Helen Kastner, met in Hamburg, where her father was a theology student and her mother was a teacher of Latin and English. After completing his education, her father accepted a pastorate in Kutzau, Brandenburg, and the family relocated to East Germany, then German Democratic Republic, just weeks after Merkel's birth. Merkel finished high school in Templin, 1973, East Germany, and received a bachelor's degree in physics at Karl Marx University, 1978, now the University of Leipzig. She then worked at the Central Institute of Physical Chemistry of the Academy of Science in East Berlin, earning a doctorate for her thesis on quantum chemistry in 1986. After the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, Merkel joined the newly founded Democratic Awakening and in February 1990 became the party's press spokesperson. That month, the party joined the Conservative Alliance for Germany, a coalition with the German Social Union and the Christian Democratic Union. Several days prior to East Germany's first and only free election in March 1990, it was revealed that Democratic Awakening's chairman, Wolfgang, informant for years. Although the news shook Alliance supporters, the coalition was victorious and Democratic Awakening became part of the government. Despite having won a mere 0.9% of the votes, Merkel became deputy spokesperson of the government of Lothar de Maizière. She joined the CDU in August 1990. Ulrich Merkel was the first husband of Angela Merkel. He met Angela Kastner in 1974 when they were both physics students, and they married in 1977. The marriage ended in divorce in 1982. Angela Merkel kept her first husband's last name. Joachim Sauer married to Merkel for nearly 20 years and famous for avoiding the limelight. Sauer, a professor of theoretical chemistry, has even been called the Phantom of the Opera by the country's media as he does make appearances with his wife at an annual opera festival in Beirut. Beyond opera, Merkel is known for her love of soccer. But is he becoming less sore about public life? Merkel's husband acted as a host at last month's G20 summit in Hamburg, welcoming spouses of summit participants and taking part in a vote. He's been a greatest strength of Merkel till date. Merkel's foreign policy has focused on strengthening European cooperation and international trade agreements. Merkel has been widely described as the de facto leader of the European Union throughout her tenure as Chancellor. One of Merkel's priorities was strengthening transatlantic economic relations. She signed the agreement for the Transatlantic Economic Relations Council on 30th April 2007 at the White House. Merkel enjoyed good relations with US Presidents George W. Bush, Barack Obama, Donald Trump. Obama described her in 2016 as his closest international partner throughout his tenure as president. On 25th September 2007, Merkel met the 14th Dalai Lama for private and informal talks in the Chancellery in Berlin, amid protests from China. China afterwards cancelled separate talks with German officials, including talks with Justice Minister Brigitte Zipries. Critics Merkel expressed concerns about over-reliance on Russian energy, but she received little support from others in Berlin. Merkel favors the association agreement between Ukraine and the European Union, but stated in December 2012, and its implementation depends on reforms in Ukraine. On recognition of the importance of China to the German economy by 2014, Merkel has led 7 trade delegations to China since assuming office in 2005. The same year in March, China President Xi Jinping visited Germany. In 2015, with the absence of Stephen Harper, Merkel became the only leader to have attended every G20 summit meeting since the very first in 2008, have been present at a record 14 summits as of 2019. She hosted the 12th meeting at the 2017 G20 Hamburg Summit. On Merkel on coronavirus pandemic. On April 6, 2020, Merkel stated, "In my view, the European Union is facing the biggest test since its foundation and member states must show greater solidarity so that the bloc can emerge stronger from the economic crisis unleashed by the pandemic." Did you know that Angela Merkel is afraid of dogs? Yes, let's see the story. It's a story to strike fear in the hearts of non-dog lovers everywhere. Renowned tough guy and cute animal cuddler Vladimir Putin once brought his pet Labrador Coney to a meeting with German Chancellor Angela Merkel. Merkel has a famous and deathly fear of dogs. She has since childhood. The incident took place at the Russian President Sochi's residence on the Black Sea in 2007. Putin has since apologized for bringing Coney to the meeting with Merkel. He claimed he wasn't aware of the Chancellor's fear of dogs, although Browning said Germans assumed Putin must have been briefed ahead of time about Merkel's dog phobia. Photos of the encounter shows Merkel looking anxious as the hefty black Labrador sniffs her, then settles near her feet. Putin looks away and flashes a mischievous grin. The dog does not bother you, does she? She's a friendly dog and I'm sure she will behave herself, Putin told her. No, she doesn't eat journalists after all, Merkel replied. Coney died in 2014. Putin has 2 other dogs. You have some quotes said by Angela Merkel. You could certainly say that I have never underestimated myself. There is nothing wrong with being ambitious. When it comes to human dignity, we cannot make compromises. Freedom does not mean being free of something, but to be free to do something. If you ever get a chance to ask one question to Angela Merkel, what would that be? Write your questions in the comment box below. And my question would be, Angela, what is the secret of your success? If you have not subscribed yet, press the subscription button below to watch all my videos for free and press the bell icon to get regular updates about my channel Simply Shanaz. Like and share the video, share it with your family and friends. Comment below your suggestions, queries or doubts, or write to me at connectwithshanaz@gmail.com. My email address is given in the description box. I will meet you in another interesting topic. Thank you. You have a good day.